Hello YouTube. I had a problem with my EBS system and my electronic brake system. They both came on together, plus my gear shifter was stuck in park. And what had happened was I had to replace my park brake light switch. But after I replaced my park brake light switch, my park brake light stayed on. And also, when I drive it, put it in drive, reverse, and start to go, I'm getting that park brake release beeping. And I'm trying to figure out what the heck is going on with this thing. After I replaced the park brake switch, I spent the whole day Saturday looking at it when it was getting dark and I couldn't really see, but I came out here Sunday and I found out what the problem was. See this little piece right here? I guess this is a pin to let you know that the parking brake is engaged. So, see the pin, it goes in and out like that. Watch, when I press it in, park brake goes out. Release, on. Now, when I drive the car with the pin pulled in, no beeps. No beeps, no park brake release light. Everything's fine. Well, I gotta put some washer fluid in there, but everything else is fine. So, now I gotta figure out where did this release pin go. I believe it goes back into where the parking brake engages at, and it pushes the pin in and shut that lights off. So if you ever have a park brake light and you just replaced your brake switch on your Clk430 Mercedes Benz, this is a W208, check, because when you pull that panel down that's underneath here, you might pull or loose that indicator that will engage to the park brake, and then you had that beeping light and everything else. So try to check that too. So I was checking around all on YouTube, Google search and everything, trying to find out why is that park brake and I'm getting this red light. A lot of people was telling me to adjust the park brake and pull the back seats up, WD-40 or PB blaster on it, clean it up, or take a couple of wrenches to the screws and tighten it or loosen it. But when I got out here today and got some light under here, I recognized that piece is falling from wherever it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna go up in here and find where it's supposed to be and then fix the problem. I hope that's helped someone, because it was baffling me. All right, guys, take it easy.